Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your favorite emojis to your design in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To get started, you can click apps, then click design essentials. Now you can scroll down and try to find emoji. Add your favorite emojis to your design. So emojis speak louder than words, so make yourself heard by adding emojis to your next design. So you can use in your existing design, for example. Let's try use this product design, a mock-up, and here we go. So you can search manually here, or you can search your emoji by typing word here. So here, for example, let's try with this emoji, and here we go. And also this one, then I'm sorry, this one, robots. So here we go. More or less, this is a complete list of emoji, your favorite emojis that can add into your designs. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.